Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic Millman's theorem. Millman's theorem will be useful to combine a number of voltage sources in parallel into a single equivalent source. The statement: the Millman's theorem states that if n number of voltage sources with internal impedance are in parallel, then they can be combined to give a single voltage source with an equivalent EMF and internal impedance. E equivalence equal to EMF of voltage source in parallel. Z1, Z2, Z3, etc. Zn is the internal impedance of equivalent sources. Z equivalence equal to internal impedance of equivalent voltage source. Y equivalent is equal to 1 by Z equivalent. Y equivalent equal to Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 etc. Yn. The first problem. In the circuit of figure, use Millman's theorem to find the current through the 4 ohm resistor. The given circuit can be redrawn. In the circuit, each voltage source has a series resistance which can be considered as internal resistance of the source. Hence, the parallel connected voltage source with internal resistance can be converted into equivalent source using Millman's theorem. E equivalence equal to equivalent EMF of parallel connector source. R equivalence equal to equivalent internal resistance. Now by Millman's theorem, R equivalence equal to 1 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, that is 1 by R equivalence equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. The R1 is 8 ohm, R2 equal to 2 ohm, R3 equal to 10 ohm. We substitute the value, we get the answer 0.725 ohm. Next we find the R equivalent value. R equivalence equal to 1 divided by 0.725. The R equivalence equal to 1.3793 ohm. Next we find the equivalent EMF of parallel connected source. The formula for E equivalence equal to E1 divided by R1 plus E2 divided by R2 plus E3 divided by R3 into R equivalent. The R equivalent value we find 1.3793. To substitute the E1 R1, E2 R2, E3 R3 and R equivalent value, we get the answer 1.0344 volt. The circuit can be redrawn. Let I be the current through 4 ohm resistance. By Ohm's law, we can write I is equal to E equivalent divided by R equivalent plus 4. E equivalent is equal to 11.0344. R equivalent is equal to 1.3793. The answer 2.0513 amps. So the current flowing through the 4 ohm resistance is 2.0513 amps. The second problem. In the circuit of figure, determine V0 using Millman's theorem. In the given circuit, the parallel branches with 8 ohm, 4 ohm resistance can be assumed to have a zero value voltage source. Each source has a series resistance which can be considered as internal resistance of the source. The parallel connected voltage source with internal resistance can be converted into single equivalent source using Millman's theorem. In this circuit, we have to find E equivalent and R equivalent value. First, we find the equivalent internal resistance. 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. R1 equal to 4 ohm, R2 8 ohm, R3 4 ohm. The 1 by R equivalent equal to 0.625, but we need R equivalent. R equivalent is equal to 1 divided by 0.625. The value of R equivalent is equal to 1.6 ohm. Next we find the equivalent EMF of parallel connected source. Already we know the formula. E1 divided by R1 plus E2 divided by R2 plus E3 divided by R3 into R equivalent. E2, E3 are 0 because it is, we have assumed 0 value voltage source. So substitute the value, we get E equivalent is equal to 4 volt. The circuit can be redrawn. We substitute the E equivalent value and the R equivalent value. In this circuit, we have to find V naught, that is output voltage, by using the voltage division rule. Already we know the formula, voltage division rule. So total voltage into same resistance divided by total resistance. In this circuit, V naught is nothing but voltage across the 5 volt source. So the total voltage is 4 volt. The same resistance is 5 ohm, and the total resistance is 1.4 plus 1.6 plus 5. We get the answer V naught equal to 2.5 volt. So the value of V naught by using Millman's theorem, the answer is 2.5 volt. Thank you.